In this video, I'll show you how to add Arbitrum to Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if someone tells you to send your Arbitrum wallet address to him or her, what you're going to do now, you're going to click on this Manage Crypto, right? Once you have clicked on it, you'd come on here, search for app. Yeah, so this is it. Just type in AR, right? Once you type in AR, this is the 8th Arbitrum, right? Come on here, click it, turn it on. Then you can go back. Once you have turned it on, you can see Arbitrum is, yeah. So they have the Arbitrum on 8, they have the number 8, right? So click on this, click the receive to copy your wallet address and send to the person. So this is how you can add up the Arbitrum to your Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.